I'm Sky.
And I'm Tata.
Today we are trying some Korean snacks. This is ABC Choco Cookie.
So let's try. Let me open this. So you can open it like this.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, so this one is ABC Choco Cookie.
ABC.
Open. Let's see. Taste one.
Okay. Wow. This is a number 9, I think. This is a number 9.
What number is it? This one is letter K. There are letters. It's
6 to
6, number 6. Cheers. Huh? No cheers?
yeah. No good.
How does it taste?
Rude.
It's good. How will you rate it from 1 to 10? 10 is the highest.
Probably
Probably an 8 out of 10. Okay, good? Okay. So now we're gonna try. What's this?
cheese.
Gorepak.
Korepak.
Gorepak. Okay?
Korepak.
Okay, so let's try.
Also sorry to the Koreans.
Yes. And then, okay, can you open it?
Sure.
Wow. How does it look like? Can I see?
It's like
It's a star!
star.
Wow.
Just like
Oh,
you.
this one is crab. It's a mini crab.
It's crunchy.
Crunchy and cheese.
Cheesy.
How will you rate it?
Probably a 6.
6? 6 out of 10?
Yes.
I don't like cheese.
Yeah.
Cheese is good. I like cheese. And this is
Choco pie since 1974.
Choco pie since 90s. So there's
Can I
a.
open
Can you open it?
Sure. Uy. What's this? Oh, there's 2
Yeah, 2.
for you.
No. Open lang natin isa. Share tayo. Kay ate ito isa.
Sige.
Open. Pakita mo muna. Show mo. Then, kinover mo naman eh.
Choco pie.
Open.
Choco pie.
This. Pakita mo. Show mo. Okay. Wow. Okay. How does it taste?
Meron ng marshmallow.
Wala bang marshmallow? Good?
Yes.
So what does it look like? How does it taste like?
Good.
It's good. But everything is good. Like
Yeah.
it's sweet.
Yes.
Ang talaga.
Yes. I
It's
give it
good.
a 10.
You give it a?
10.
What?
10.
10. So you have to tell it to the audience like 10 out of 10. This is?
Great.
Okay, this is 10 out of
10.
10 out of 10. Okay? So let's try now. That's the last that we have. We're gonna try this. What's this? Melon soda.
Melon soda.
Okay, let's see. How do you?
Oh my god.
Ooh. Okay, melon soda. Let's see. You like melon?
Not really.
No, really?
Oh my god, it's fuzzy.
What?
Fuzzy.
It's fuzzy? How does it taste? Does it taste like melon?
Not really.
Not really. It does. How was it? Is it good?
Yes.
Okay.
This is an 8. I
This
mean
is-
a 9.
A 9. Okay, this is a 9. So if you're gonna choose from the 3 snacks, so we have this, and then we have this, and the choco pie. Choose one. The ABC cookie.
Yes.
This is number 1.
Yes.
Okay, which one is number 2?
This.
Choco pie. Which one is number 3? And number 3 is the gore.
Yeah.
Gore. Okay? Okay. So that's it.
Yes.
So
Goodbye, everyone.
thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Sarap yan. Wait, kala ko ba sa akin na yan? You said that's mine. Oh, you try this one. Oh, yung choco pie mo.